Hey everybody. So I wanted to make a video on this because I thought it would be interesting because I think that at first glance, if people take a look at this and they, with no other context, and they don't actually take a look at the paper, and maybe if news doesn't pick up on this, then a lot of people aren't going to know exactly what this new algorithm does, and why it's significant overall for the AI community and how it can have a lot of potential for breakthroughs with regards towards LLMs as a whole. And then so this particular model is called Voyager, an open embodied agent with large language models. And then so it's specifically related towards Minecraft, and it's a Minecraft agent. And so what this is, first of all, just to give credit to it, this particular agent was developed by equal contribution and equal advising between NVIDIA, Caltech, UT Austin, Stanford, and ASU. So just calling that out, and I think it's important upfront to highlight that joint effort. So as you can see, this is another joint effort between the business community, in this instance NVIDIA, as well as the academic community, and a lot of advancements, and most of the advancements that you see within AI are this joint collaboration, and that's why these particular joint collaborations are why the open source community is dominating development overall with regards towards AI development, because it's not just like Stanford. It's a collaboration of Caltech, UT Austin, Stanford, and ASU, and then it's not just those academic institutions, but it's also NVIDIA. And then so that collaboration together is stronger than anything else that you could get. And then with that collaboration comes open sourcing it, because then without the open sourcing, you wouldn't get access to that academic community side that you really want access to. And then so it becomes this perfect circle, if you will. But so diving into the paper here and exactly what a Voyager does as a Minecraft model, we can, going through the introduction, essentially with the introduction, the important things are to highlight are that this particular model is built off of ChatGPT-4, and I think it's important to highlight that, and they specifically mention it a few times throughout the paper, that they need ChatGPT-4 in and of itself to run this particular agent at the moment. There's not another LLM that currently exists that can run it. So you can see that even though, like up front, that illustrates to me that even though this is a Minecraft and we're talking about an agent for a Minecraft game, you can see that the power involved in what the agent needs to do, and to me that is illustrative of the future potential power overall of what this algorithm can do, or what this particular agent can do. So diving into the method itself, essentially what the agent does is it does three things that are like revolutionary, and then in conjunction are important to how the agent overall works. So when you think about AI overall, AI, when you're training it, it's a general weakness within AI and within LLMs and within everything that's known overall, that AI has kind of a problem of like grounding itself within a world, within a reality. And then so in this particular instance, we're talking about a Minecraft agent. So with that knowledge in mind, what the goal of this agent is to provide a reality within Minecraft that the agent can ground itself in. And then so with the method, that's what the method does is, okay, here's a framework for you to ground your reality in, AI, and so the AI can do that. And then by grounding itself in this reality, this particular agent is able to operate within Minecraft at a level that no other AI has been able to yet. And so diving into what it does, the first thing is this 2.1 automatic curriculum. Essentially what that means is that the AI creates a learning, like a classroom for itself as it goes through, and it tries to learn and iterate on these things, and it's an iterative and automatic process that it will go through, where it will give itself lessons and things to do and things to learn throughout the classroom, and then it will update essentially its objectives and its directives based off of its kind of like its classroom like homework, if you will. and then you diving into 2.2, which is the skill library. And then so as the AI agent goes through and then it learns within the classroom, then it develops different skills as it progresses throughout the class and throughout the game. And then so there's a portion of memory that then gets devoted within the model to remembering what those skills are, and then remembering to utilize and incorporate those skills throughout its learning process. So if it learns something and then it learns a new skill, it knows then to go back and then possibly relearn or utilize what it learned before based off of the new skill, and then update its information off of that. So that's kind of a major advancement there for AI in that front as far as that forward thinking process. And then the third thing that it does that's really interesting to me is it utilizes iterative prompting, and then so it utilizes essentially another LLM agent, and then this is a common learning process for AI agents, where it's a competitive learning process where the other agent acts as a critic of the agent that is performing the action. And then so essentially for 2.3, all that it's basically saying in essence is that you have your agent that is performing and going through Minecraft, and then you have another agent, AI agent, that is watching that performance and then critiquing that performance, and then giving its critique in this instance based off of iterative prompts. So the critic, or the AI critic, the AI agent, will prompt the other agent that's doing the action. It'll tell it what to do, like, hey, you should try using your inventory, or like, hey, it says first make an amethyst shard underground when you're trying to do an action. So it will give it two minds are better than one, in essence, is kind of the framework that it gives it within that. So overall, those three elements combined create this unique learning experience for AI, where it uniquely solves this learning gap that AI has had for a while with regards towards being able to process and think with regards towards future actions, and then as well as explore its virtual environments, explore its world to the fullest. And then so in Minecraft, that's what this agent does, is it fully explores the Minecraft world more fully than any other AI model that has come before it. And then so applying this beyond Minecraft, we can see it has a lot of potential in multiple situations, in which any situation in which you would put an AI in and it has to ground itself in reality. This particular model gives you a path forward, a better path forward for learning, for teaching AI how to deal with those types of situations. And then so I think that we could end up seeing a lot of advancement from this particular model. And then even though it's a fun model and it's fun in what it does, I think it's very powerful in what it does. And then so I think it's overall, it's just a very interesting model to highlight. And if you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe.